Good morning, all. Let's start the new session, session 3. But before we start, let me ask you one beautiful riddle. My days are long, the sun shines brightly, I am hot and humid. What season am I? Everybody think? Yes, the answer is summer. Okay, kids, in the last two sessions, we learned about seasons summer, winter, spring, autumn, and monsoon. Now, in this session, we will learn about clothes we wear. Kids, why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body, to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, and wind. They also protect us from insect bite and dust. We look smart and nice in beautiful clothes. Men and women wear different clothes. We wear different kinds of clothes depending on many factors like weather and special occasions. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. In some parts of India where it is hot, people wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are very light. They absorb sweat and keep us cool. We wear cotton clothes during summer. In some parts of India where it is very cold, people wear woolen clothes. It keeps us warm and protect us from cold. These are made from fur, wool, and leather. When it rains, we wear a raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. Some people wear special clothes to work. Such clothes are called a uniform. For example, a doctor, nurse, a policeman, and an advocate. We also wear a uniform to school. We wear new and beautiful clothes on special occasions like marriages, birthday parties, and festivals. In India, each state has its own traditional clothes and fashion culture. Sometimes we wear some special clothes for an event or activity. Such clothes are called costumes. Example, a girl performing Bharatnatyam in a special costume. Gujarati girl performing Garba wearing chaniya choli and boy wearing dhoti and kedio. In Punjab, women wear salwar kameez and men wear kurta and pajama with turban. So, kids, as I told you, each state has its own traditional clothes. Kids, one more important thing, clothes today are made from a wide range of different materials. Materials such as cotton, linen, silk, and leather are still sourced from plants and animals. Many times we use the skin of animals to make leather. The leather is used to make jackets, coats, shoes, belts, bags, etc. So, kids, we must wash our clothes daily with clean water and soap. We should fold them properly and put them neatly in a proper place. We should always wear clean clothes. They keep us healthy. Wearing clean clothes is a very good habit. Did you know Goncha is a thick robe worn by people in Ladakh? It keeps them warm in winter season. Words to know. Atmosphere, the blanket of air surrounding the earth. Weather, the state of atmosphere at a particular time and place. Season, same type of weather in a place over a long period of time. Monsoon, another name for rainy season in India. Bonfire, a large outdoor fire. Pleasant, here when the weather is neither too hot nor too cold. Pleasing. Leather, a material made from the skin of animals. Humid, hot and sticky. Let's recall. First, the condition of the air at a particular time is called weather. Weather can be hot, cold, rainy, windy, or cloudy. Second, when the same weather is present in a place for a long period of time, it is called season. Third, summer, winter, spring, autumn, and monsoon are the important seasons. Fourth, we wear clothes to cover our body and protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, and wind. Now, answer the following questions. First, what is the difference between weather and season? Answer: the state of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called weather. Weather can be hot, cold, rainy, windy, and cloudy. Wind and the sun cause changes in the air, and hence weather changes. When the same type of weather is experienced for a long period of time, it is called season. Second, name 5 important seasons. Answer: autumn, winter, summer, rainy, and spring season. Third, what is a uniform? Answer: the special clothes worn by some people to work are called uniform. Some uniforms help us to identify the work that a person does. Fourth, name any three things that can be made from leather. Answer: jacket, shoes, and belts. Now, let's enjoy a video.
Summer. During the summer season, the days are hot and dry. People wear light cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep our body cool. We get cotton from cotton plants. Rainy season. It is very cloudy and wet during the rainy season. People wear raincoats, gumboots, and use umbrella to stay dry when it rains. Autumn. Autumn is the season that comes just before winter. In this season, the air becomes cooler. Most of the trees shed their leaves in autumn. Winter. The air is very cold in winter. We wear woolen clothes in winter to keep our body warm. We get wool from sheep. We also get wool from rabbits, mountain goats and lambs. Spring. The weather is very pleasant during spring. It is neither too hot nor too cold. A lot of flowers bloom in the spring season.
Kids, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Take care.